guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is going to be from April the 9th through April the 15th. And what the movie I'm going to be doing this week is Humphrey Bogart is starring in it, and it's The Treasure of Sierra Madre. I love that movie. And I made my own stickers, and this is the paper that I chose. To me, this looked like if you were in the sand mining for gold, which is what they're doing. I won't tell you very much about the movie, but that's what they're doing. And then this reminds me of like the darkness that starts coming in to the movie when greed starts approaching. And then this reminded me of the gold, just flecks of gold. And I'm going to be using just a gold Sharpie. So let me take my pages out of my planner, and I'm so glad everybody liked my dual spread. I really liked it. Okay, so let's start to cut our paper, and I've decided that I want this to be the dominant color in the spread. But this is a very good movie. Okay, so let's start to put our paper down here, how we like it. I'll put that one there and this one over here to have a little bit of darkness over here. Okay, so let's start to put our paper down, and my glue stick, I'm almost out of it, so I'm going to be really careful. My top's going to try to come off. This is a very suspenseful movie, and it's very good at the different things that happen to them while they're mining for this gold. Okay, I think that's going to be really nice. So let's put our washi down now. And like I said, this reminds me of the gold that they were mining. And you definitely can cover that green that's underneath there, but it doesn't really bother me. But I just want it to be very lightly to be seen, just like they had to look really hard for their gold. I don't want this to come out and just really be very noticeable. I want it to look very subtle, I guess. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, but the only problem is I ran out of that washi. So now I'm having to switch to this washi, but it's very comparable to it, so I think it'll be all right. I don't think it's going to be a big problem. It's still giving us that very hint of gold. The other almost reminded me of the gold being in the water and washing along, but this could be like little gold flecks. So it's going to be just fine. All right, now we'll put down our stickers. This is the only sticker that's really in color, and it just shows like what would be on your DVD, the ad for the movie. And then this is where, I believe they're in Tijuana when this starts out, and this boy's trying to sell them a lottery ticket. Trying to sell Bogart a lottery ticket. And I won't tell you a lot. It's hard not to because it's such a good movie, but I don't want to ruin it for you. And then I'll put this one right here. And then this is when he's with his partners and they're mining. And there's already starting to be a little bit of trouble creep up. And you can see some more issues that are starting to happen because their older partner told them about gold fever and what it can do to a man. And you can see they're starting to really have some issues. They decide they're going to leave. And that's one of the other partners. And I got that crooked. You just have to be careful when you make your own stickers because when they go down, they don't want to move. And then Bogart is going to walk out with his money. And he's starting to let really bad thoughts come into play. And then this is the end, and I won't tell you how it ends, but he meets up with some bandits. Okay, so let me just write down a few things that I need to do. Okay, we'll put it back in my planner and take a look at it, but I think this is gonna, it really turned out nicely. I wish I hadn't got, you know, that sticker crooked, but it does happen. But it's not the end of the world. And even running out of washi is not the end of the world. Okay, so here it is. I think it's lovely. I love this paper. I love the play against the darkness that was going on later in the movie, and then them searching for the gold and panning for the gold. And you can write on these papers that you put in here. So I really like how it turned out. I love my stickers. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.